Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. And what I want to do today is show you guys my skincare routine. I've done videos where I've shown the products that I like to use, but I've never really did a routine video. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wash my face. And I'm using my Garnier foaming cleanser. I found this at Family Dollar, guys, for like $5 if you're interested. But I like it because it doesn't clog my pores. It is for oily skin, so it cleans the face good. Like I said, it doesn't clog my pores, and it's a good lightweight cleanser. I just like to make sure I get that all over my face and neck and clean really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. And I like to use white towels on my face. So now I'm just drying my face off with my white towel. And you notice that I'm patting more than wiping, just not to irritate that skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my toner. This is the Dickinson Pore Perfecting Toner. This is a great toner if you have oily skin. I'll just pour a couple of drops on my cotton pad. And when I use this, I like to wipe upwards, just to keep that skin nice and firm. And because I do have some blemishes, I'm gonna hold that cotton pad on those little spots a little longer, just to give it a little bit more love. This helps with taking down some of the redness and irritation. So today is Sunday. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a mask. I like to do mask on Sunday mornings. And this is a Origins texturizing mask. I got it in a subscription box. And I've just been using it. It's a clay mask. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And so now I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Go fix me some coffee and some breakfast. So it's been about 10 minutes or so. Got my coffee. I'll go ahead. And I also made me a waffle with some peanut butter. Just one of my things that I like to have. So as you can see, this mask is dry now. So we can go ahead and wash that off. And one thing I like about this mask is that because it's a texturizing mask, it does have like an exfoliating effect. So I like to, kind of exfoliate as I rinse. Now I'm just making sure I wipe off all of that excess off of my face and neck. So now I'm going to go ahead and treat my eyes, and I'm going to be using this this eye skincare treatment that I got from the dollar store, and it is like a age defying, depuffing eye serum, and you just roll it under your eye. I didn't show, but the roller is like a metal tip, which is cool because it gives a cooling sensation. I'm gonna go ahead and just tap that serum into my skin. And I usually do this at night before bedtime, and sometimes in the morning if I have time. But like I said, this is a Sunday, so I can really take my time with my skincare routine. And just making sure I get all of that into my under eye. As you can see, I am a little puffy under the eyes. Usually when I first wake up, I do have some puffiness under the eyes. So now I'm going to use my Curology skin treatment. I will leave a link, but this is the treatment that they created specifically for me, and I'm trying, if it can focus, it shows you exactly what is in it. I usually use this at night, but because I have those blemishes, I'm going to apply just a little bit on my face, just to kind of help treat those little blemishes that I got going on this morning. And take the rest of that and just rub it through my face. This plan is supposed to help with anti-aging, reducing my pores, and discoloration. So now I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. The Pond's moisturizer is the moisturizer that I use at night, and it is the Clarent B3. This is great for dark spots and a correcting cream. So I use this at night, but today I'm going to use my Curology moisturizer. And I prefer to use this during the daytime. It's a lightweight moisturizer. It's not really oily, and it melts into the skin. So I usually take about 1 or 2 pumps and just apply that all over my face. I love the way this moisturizer feels, guys, because like I said, it just melts into the skin, and throughout the day I'm not oily, which is really great, which also lets me know that it is not clogging the pores. So now everything is just about done. I've treated and moisturized my skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray my own facial spray. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I did do a video where I made my own face spray. And now I'm going to treat my lips with my Vaseline Blue Seal and Aloe Vera. I love the way this smells and feels. It's kind of hard to find that aloe vera, but Target and Walmart have other formulas in the Blue Seal. So that is it, guys. That is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.